Hi, I'm Paul Pringle. I'm the Managing Director of Solarglide Limited, and welcome to our product deep dive for blackout screens for ships and the maritime industry. Solarglide Blackout Blinds are a fantastic product, and you'll find them on the aft windows of a vessel as opposed to the bridge. You generally find them in public spaces such as restaurants, cinema rooms, cabins, pubs on board, anywhere you can imagine where there's a lot of direct sunlight and you need to block out the light that's coming through. So the main focus of these blinds is that they offer a high degree of privacy. We can offer our blackout blinds as partial blackout in terms of there's some light comes in around the sides, or we can also offer 100% blackout, which means that we cover every aspect of light coming through the window. So privacy is a massive feature of our blackout blinds. They're also very durable, which means that they last a long time, especially when there's a lot of people coming on and off the vessel. So they're a great product in that sense. They also allow cabins and public areas to remain cool when traveling through high levels of sunshine and high degrees of heat. So this is an example of a blackout blind that we offer. And as you can see, it is white powder coated. And this is one of the standard colors that we offer with this product. We also have it in light gray as standard, and anything thereafter can be powder coated to whatever choice is needed for the interior of a vessel on board. But for this particular example, this one's white. You can see the cassette here is a 67mm cassette, which is our middle range cassette. And some of the features that you'll see on here are the side channels that go down the side, but we also have a channel along the bottom as well. And the whole purpose of that is to give 100% blackout. And inside of these side channels are a brush pile. So when the blind bottom rail travels down, which I'll show you in a moment, it goes within these brush piles and it blocks out all light, which is great. Especially in maritime, some projects expect the whole of the window to be blocked out. But we also do other mechanisms such as cable guide wires, which allow a little bit of light down the sides, but the material itself does not let any light through. This particular mechanism that we're using here, as you can see, is called a single pulley system. As you can see, the cord is pre-attached to the bottom rail, which also has a brush pile along the bottom for keeping light out. It comes down with a very strong cord, but very discreet, and it comes out of an outlet, and this is called single pulley because there's just one pulley system. And what you do is you take the cord like so, and it's nice and easy to pull, and it goes down like so, and you can let it up or you can let it down depending on what you want. But you'll also see there's a little tie-off cleat here as well, and that allows you to set it at any level on the window. So for instance, if I wanted to go midway, I could just set it there, and that's perfect. So it's letting some light in the room. Alternatively, you just unwind it again, and if you wanted complete privacy, so no one can look into your cabin or vice versa, you have the full way down, and as you can see, there's no light coming in whatsoever. It's perfectly private. It blocks out all light, and especially if you're on a cruise line or a ferry, or even indeed on a general cargo ship, having the blinds down during the day keep the cabin or the public space or the crew area nice and cool. So it's a great product. It's robust for a reason. A lot of blinds that go onto ships are used day in, day out by lots of people and by different people that come onto the vessel and then leave. So it's really important that the blind is fit for purpose, so it lasts for a long time. And that's why we've developed and designed our product. So it's super strong and it lasts a long time. The material that you see there as well, this particular material, which I'll show you again, is a fabric-based material, and this is from our Carnival range. And our Carnival range, this particular color is beige, and we have lots of neutral colors within that range, as well as some brighter colors as well. Lots of choice, so 23 colors in total with the Dart and the Carnival range, which is superb. We offer a standard white powder coated or light grey powder coated profiles. However, if somebody is looking for a different color to match the interior of the ship, be it light brown or a grey, we can RAL color our profiles, that's the cassette and the bottom rail, to match any interior. We just ask that our customers supply us with a RAL color, and then we'll do the rest. Side channels are just one of the features. You don't actually have to have them. We have center pull handles, which are a chrome handle that goes across the center. Level pegs, which are chrome pegs which allow you to hook the blind and put it at any level on the window. So lots and lots of different mechanisms available. You can have them as cassetted, you can have them as non-cassetted, you can have them as motorized or solar battery operated. The product warranty for this product is 7 years. We have that mainly across the board for all of our blinds. The 7-year warranty means that if the product fails in terms of the mechanism, we will just replace it free of charge and ship a new one to anywhere in the world. But our blinds should last, roughly 15 to 20 years once installed. Thanks for tuning into our product deep dive. And if you want to find out more, you can visit our website, www.solarglide.com, or you can contact us on email at theteam@solarglide.com, or you can find us on any of the social media platforms, including Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn.